Everyone, today we are going to discuss Gattermann-Koch formulation. Now Gattermann-Koch formulation involve conversion of benzene and its derivatives to aromatic aldehyde. For example, when benzene is treated with mixture of carbon monoxide and HCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 and cuprous chloride, or instead of using cuprous chloride, reaction may be conducted at high pressure, then what happens, formulation of benzene takes place and that lead to the formation of benzaldehyde. So this one is benzaldehyde so obtained. Thus benzene can be converted into benzaldehyde. So not only benzene but also derivatives of benzene can also show this reaction. Now as far as mechanism of this reaction is concerned, it is so important and so interesting. So step number 1 involve the protonation of carbon monoxide. So carbon monoxide right here can be given as, now what happens, under the influence of AlCl3 protonation takes place as, so proton ultimately attacks at this site and now electronic shift which may be expected as, so thus an intermediate so obtained can be given as like this. Now at this site what happens, halide ion tend to attack at this center, I mean at carbon, and now this lead to the formation of new intermediate which can be given as. Now at this point what happens, this chlorine being more electronegative than carbon, along with pair of electron get combined with this and electron pair remain at this oxygen. Now this lead to the departure of AlCl4 minus, and hereby we receive a species that can be given as. Now this is very crucial and important. Now in step number 2, in second step, that electrophilic species attack the benzene ring. Now benzene can be given as. So the species formed in the above step attacks the benzene. Now to accommodate this, electron pair holded like this, so this carbon prefer to carry positive charge later, and attack can be shown as. This lead to the formation of a carbonium ion which can be given as. Now this is the carbonium ion so obtained. Now this carbonium ion tend to lose proton, so deprotonation occurs, and deprotonation lead to the formation of our product what we called benzaldehyde. Thus benzene when treated with carbon monoxide and HCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 and cuprous chloride lead to the formation of benzaldehyde. Now cuprous chloride plays role in collaboration of CO and HCl. It is believed that the CO and HCl interact to form a complex, and cuprous chloride help in forming that complex. Thus formulation occurs and aromatic aldehyde are obtained during the course of the reaction. It's what all about the Gattermann-Koch formulation. Thank you.